A year ago, I was obliged with my colleagues to bring a motion to implement the National Maternity Strategy. The government accepted it on the day, and that motion arose from the concerns of HEQA at the failure to implement the National Maternity Strategy, notwithstanding that we were halfway through the strategy. Imagine my horror on learning this week that in Galway City, in the National Maternity Hospital, in the local maternity hospital, St Monica's ward is closed, and it appears to be closed for 3 weeks. The major gynaecology ward in the hospital closed for 3 weeks without explanation. And that deals with all of the various cervical cancer and all the other gynecological problems. So I'm bringing it to your attention. I didn't get an answer yet in relation to it, and I would appreciate if you could find out why it's closed, what has happened, and when it will be reopened.
Thank you. Mr. Donnelly.
Get you a detailed note on that. What I can tell you is that the National Maternity Strategy last year and this year has been fully implemented. So the full €9 million required for new development was allocated last year and this year. I've met the team, the maternity team in Galway. There's several things going on. So the maternity strategy in Galway, it is being implemented. There's more midwifery-led care. I know I will get you a note on that. They didn't, but what I also saw was there's a new, one of the new ambulatory gynaecology clinics has been set up. There's a new fertility clinic, one of the regional ones, as you'll be aware, has opened up in Galway, and the new perinatal mental health team is there. So there's been a very, very significant expansion in women's health services, including in maternity, in the last 2 years, specifically in Galway University Hospital, and I'll get you a note on the ward you referenced.